Listen to this short conversation and see if you can understand the word through the context. Let's go. Hi, I'm calling because you were supposed to fix my clock today while I was at work.
Yeah, I fixed it.
Have you seen it? You did a botch job. Look at it.
Yeah, but does it tell the time though?
Yes, but I wanted it to be fixed. If I were to...
Well then, botch job or not, job done, mate. 20 quid, thanks. See you later.
Hello?
Hello?
So, a botch job. What do you think that this means? Well, basically a botch job is when somebody repairs something in a really lazy, dishonest or improvised way. It's basically a short fix or a temporary fix for something. The most popular examples are normally when people try to fix their car because they're not mechanics, so they do a botch job. So, can you think of a time when in your life something was done in a botch job way? Give me an example below and comment. See you next class.